of Juliet. We get the best recipe of Juliet. We get the best recipe. Subscribe, share to your loved ones, subscribe.
Good day, everyone. Good day, wherever you are. Today we are making Chinese fried rice. Okay, before we start, I want to appreciate everyone, my subscribers, my viewers. God bless you all. My old subscribers, I love you. My new subscribers, you all are amazing. I love you all for your support. Thank you all. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you for your support because I can't take that for granted. If you are not yet subscribed, you are watching me now, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bell too. In case I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. And share my video to your friends and family. Like my video. Thank you. Let's start. Okay, I have sunflower oil. I will leave it to hot a little. Add carrot
Of Juliet. We get the best recipe of Juliet.
Add my steak.
We get the best recipe. Subscribe.
I'm going to add
Share
peas.
to your loved ones.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Add my red chilli. Okay.
Share to your loved ones. Subscribe. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe. Yeah.
Ginger powder. Garlic powder.
When you come to Juliet home, go home with the best. Fill your eyes with the best.
Now I'm going to add
The best recipe.
my non-seasoning, powder non-seasoning.
Yeah.
Salt to taste.
Share to your loved ones. Subscribe.
We stick together.
Subscribe. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe. Juliet.
I will add soya sauce. Okay. And you stir.
With the best recipe. We got the best recipe.
Just leave it for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to transfer this from this pot. I have 2 eggs here. I will pour it.
Of Juliet, we get the best recipe.
going to transfer the sauce inside. Okay? Spread together. I'm going to add black pepper. You can put it now or before now, okay?
Yeah.
Let me add black pepper. And you stir. You add the rice.
When you come to Juliet's home, go home with the best. Fill your eyes with the best recipe. Oh, yeah.
You add your corn, okay?
Oh.
I love to add my corn at this junction, okay? And my spring onions, okay? Just add it and you stir together.
Share to your love and
Just try and be stirring it often so that the rice will not get burnt. Okay, just try and be stirring it. Try and be stirring it. Try this, my beautiful ones. You and your family will enjoy it.
the best recipe.
Just leave it to cook for 2 minutes. That's done. Ready. Our yummy Chinese fried rice. Yummy. Soya. Try this, my beautiful ones. If you are not yet subscribed, please don't press the subscribe button now, please, as you are watching me. Press the subscribe button. Love you all. Love you, my beautiful people. My lovely people. You all are blessed, wonderfully made by God. Thank you, everyone.
The best recipe.
And to see this, and you guys see this, my beautiful ones, and you see this, so beautiful, so colorful. You see this, so colorful. Wow, so colorful, and it's healthy too. You guys know vegetable is so healthy, it's good for the body. Wow, thank you. It's ready. You can see my beautiful ones. Chinese rice is there. Chinese fried rice.
It's the best recipe. You get the best recipe. Get the best recipe. Ooh.
Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it.
Subscribe.
God bless you. See you in my
Subscribe.